Hey guys, and welcome to Top Channel 111, and today we're going to be looking at some new amazing add-ons that you could use to beef up your production. And let's start with some free assets. Most freelance work comes from advertising, especially creating ads for new electronics. If you land a gig like that, save some time by using this free electronic kitbash. It includes processors, fans, capacitors, connectors, microchips, and more. It's easy to use and is compatible with GeoScatter for quick and effortless scattering. Here is another free bundle that you could add to your library so that you can add more detail. If it feels like something is missing in your scene, try adding leaves or dust being blown away. If you are not sure how to do that or just want a quick solution, here is a bundle of free elements you can drop into your scenes to bring it to life. This bundle of free assets includes leaves, fire embers, candles, lightning, sparks, and more. Glass looks simple, but is surprisingly hard to get right. If you are after high quality glassware, this photorealistic asset pack has you covered. Each piece is designed for striking refractions and reflections, perfect for close-up or macro shots. It's built to fill the gap in the professional grade 3D models. It saves you time on modeling without compromising on quality. Underwater scenes are a great way to add variety to your environments, but making them look good, especially in EV, can be tricky. This bundle of underwater environments gives you a solid starting point with built-in depth, caustics, God rays, and real-time performance. It's perfect for quickly dialing in the look you want without slowing down your workflow. This one's for the pros, whether you're using Blender to make a living or aiming for that polished professional look without sinking hours into building every detail from scratch. This bundle includes several urban environments complete with buildings, streets, and architectural elements that work great as sets or backgrounds in your projects. Each environment is a full scene packed with materials, models, and assets you can save to your personal library for future use, but they're also ready to go. You can just drop your characters in and you are set for the finished shot. If you're venturing into the outer space, this Space Station collection is going to make you shine. Whether you are building a moon base, a Mars outpost, or a sprawling orbital station, this kit gives you all the modular pieces you need to bring your sci-fi environments to life. Designed for both foreground and hero shots and distant background structures, the assets are lightweight and optimized so you can populate your scene without crashing performance. With a wide range of components and clean technology, creating expansive, high-detailed space environments becomes faster, easier, and a lot more fun. If you're working on characters who are about to get into a gruesome fight, survive an explosion, or just had a really bad day, this generator is a great way to add that extra layer of realism. It automatically adds skin bruises, cuts, and surface damage to your characters, giving them a worn, battered look without the need for manual sculpting or texturing. While it's primarily designed as a zombie generator, turning any character into a terrifying undead version of themselves is also incredibly useful for showing injuries, battle damage, or general wear and tear. Whether you are creating horror scenes, post-apocalyptic survivors, or gritty cinematic sequences, this look can save time and seriously level up your visuals. I've always loved making magical things feel grounded and believable, and this magical glowing gemstone generator does exactly that. It creates a variety of gemstones in different shapes and colors, each with a subtle interglow that makes them feel enchanted yet realistic. The glow gives them a powerful otherworld presence, and they honestly remind me of the Infinity Stones from Marvel's Avengers. If you are working on a project that needs mystical crystals, enchanted artifacts, or just some visual striking gems, this generator is definitely worth checking out. When building out a post-apocalyptic world or a battlefield scene, destruction is key. Think shattered rooftops, fractured floors, and entire building crumbling into debris. But manually modeling all that chaos can take forever, especially if you are populating a large environment. This is where the destroyed building generator really shines. With just a few tricks, you can generate everything from slightly damaged structures to fully collapsed ruins. Whether you need a building that's been torn in half, barely holding together, or reduced to a heap of rubble, this tool gives you the flexibility to create the level of destruction you need. It even includes interior elements, so you are not left with empty shells. If you rely on add-ons to speed up your workflow or push your creative limits, this bundle of 50 add-ons is a solid addition to your toolkit. It includes a wide range of tools from an AI texturing add-on, a 3D model generator, to a texture blending tool, a depth generator, fluid simulator, AI material creator, explosion generator, an RBD physics add-on, and plenty more. Whether you are into effects, modeling, materials, or simulations, there is something here to boost every part of your process. Take your scene building skills to the next level with the Blender's powerful geometry node system. It's not just about adding detail, it's about creating reusable tools and generators you can use across projects like particle systems, simulations, traffic setups, and more. If you are ready to dive in, check out this Master Geometry Nodes course. It covers everything from basics to building advanced tools like a paintbrush simulation, tree and rope generators, and motion graphics that rival high-end software like Cinema 4D. If your project calls for a city, whether in the background or as a central location, building one from scratch can quickly drain your time and energy, often with underwhelming results. That's where the city generator add-on saves the day. It procedurally builds out full cityscapes for you, complete with streets, buildings, shops, and even detailed alleyways, giving your scene a believable lived-in feel with minimal effort. For futuristic skylines, it handles the groundwork so you can focus on the bigger picture. Mountains are perfect for filling out a scene. They add depth, cover up empty space, and blend in naturally without drawing too much attention. But with enough detail, they can just as easily become the main focus of your render. This bundle gives you a versatile collection of mountain landscapes, including snow-capped peaks, rocky cliffs, and lava-spewing volcanic mountains. Each one comes with high-resolution 4K and 8K textures, making them ideal for both background and close-up shots. If you are looking to build a village with a variety of unique buildings, check out Housecraft. It's a building generator that handles all the detail for you while still giving you full control over the shape. Simply model a basic structure by extruding different shapes, and the generator adds the rest: walls, windows, roofs, and even surrounding landscaping like trees and grass. You can also add damage like collapsed sections and weathered elements for a more lived-in or post-apocalyptic look. It's a fast, flexible way to create detailed buildings without starting from scratch each time. After putting all the effort to perfect your models, materials, and lighting, one thing can still make or break your final render. That's camera movement. It's an art form on its own, shaping how your scene is experienced, setting the mood, and influencing the overall feel of your work. The angles and motion you choose have a huge impact, and relying on guesswork can easily undercut everything you built. Instead, try out these professional crafted camera movements. They are fluid, intentional, and designed to elevate your shots instantly, making your renders feel cinematic, polished, and far more impactful. This collection of factory and industry buildings is perfect for filling in missing detail and bringing your scenes to life. Whether you are building out full industrial zones or just need elements like pipework, machinery, or equipment to break up a flat render, these assets help turn simple environments into believable functional spaces. They are great for adding context and depth, making your scenes feel like part of a large world and supporting the story you are trying to tell. So those are some of the generators I found for you this week. If you want to check them out, all links are going to be in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.